The sedan is back with an edge. Hi, I'm Steve, and normally you can find me exploring around the Adirondack Mountains, waterfalls, lakes, rivers, hiking trails, and historic towns. But today, I'm at Carbone Hyundai, and I'm gonna explore the all-new, redesigned 2021 Hyundai Elantra. This is supposed to be the perfect car for city driving, highway driving, and all-around travel. Now, before we take this SEL model for a first drive, we're going to check out the redesigned exterior styling. Such an amazing front end. Now, Hyundai also boasts the widest car in its class is this redesigned 21 Elantra, and the styling definitely reflects that. Sharp lines all the way around the car. "16-inch black polished alloy wheels." Hyundai did a great job aesthetically with these. Now, Hyundai's SmartStream Atkinson 2.0 liter cycle 4-cylinder engine puts out 147 horsepower and 132 torque, which is very nice considering you get 31 miles per gallon city, 34 miles per gallon combined, and an amazing 41 miles per gallon highway. Now let's take this new Elantra for a ride. Now this does have a proximity key with push button start, so touch the handle, unlocks, and foot on the brake. Already, I like this display. You can definitely tell Hyundai put some time into how the driver feels. From the interior materials to the way everything is easily accessible and set up. They have a touch screen, but still including some hard buttons. And I really can't get over the feel of the steering wheel and how tight the turning radius is on this car. A lot of manufacturers are struggling with their sedans, going all in on their crossovers. It's nice to see Hyundai come out with a strong sedan. I am really enjoying the interior of this redesigned Elantra. There are some features that I really like on this SEL convenience package, like the forward collision avoidance assist, intelligent speed limited assist, the smart cruise control. It's nice to have the electronic parking brake. I do like that there is a wireless charging pad. The front heated seats, which I've had on this whole time because it is November in upstate New York, they are tri-function, so you have 3 different settings to the heated seats. Also, I do like that you have a charging ports right on the bottom above where the wireless pad is. Very easy to use touch screen. It's nice they have the Hyundai Blue Link right here. I do also like this backup camera. Nice big camera. Love the screen. I like how the lines move along with the steering wheel. Very easy to use. Now the back seat has room in it. It's definitely comfortable. You can tell it's wider than the previous model. I think any co-workers or family members, passengers in general that are back here are going to be happy, and that's important also. I have enough room to sit back here and be comfortable on a trip. Now let's see what kind of space this has in the back, because that's one thing I really need. Whether I'm snowboarding or mountain biking or going hiking along a trail, I need to be able to carry my gear. So, pop the trunk. Now that is some considerable space. And if I need even more, seats fold flat. Quite a bit of storage back there. I like it. It's no secret we're in the age of social media. So one thing I am going to do is review how this is going to look on social media. How's it going to look in pictures? How is it going to look in your posts? Well, the back end has very sharp lines. I think it's going to come out good from any angle because this car is so sharply designed. The front end and those lights, it's going to be hard to get a bad picture of this car. It looks really good, especially this model has the 16-inch black gloss alloy wheels. I think in any season they are going to look good. And this blue, Hyundai calls this intense blue. This is going to show up really nice. You should get a few likes in this. Elantras are always known to be safe and reliable. A few things that I do like about the manufacturer itself is that Hyundai gives you a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty with this vehicle, a 5-year, 60,000-mile comprehensive warranty, and 3-year, 36,000 miles Hyundai maintenance. I hope you enjoyed my video on the convenient and stylish redesigned 2021 Hyundai Elantra SEL. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to share this video and hit the donate link in the video description or my YouTube bio. Look out for more videos where I explore all around the Adirondack Mountains, waterfalls, kayaking, hiking trails, historic towns, and more. I would also like to give a big thank you to all the sales staff and sales managers at Carbone Hyundai for the use of this 2021 Hyundai Elantra, in which I thoroughly enjoyed driving today.